Hey guys, it's time for another Poshmark Q&A. I realized I'm wearing yellow in like my two most recent videos. Before we get started, I just wanted to talk about something that I mentioned in a previous video. A fellow Posher was in a terrible car accident last weekend, and her sister has created a GoFundMe campaign for her because she did not have health insurance, and it's just so sad. This girl, my heart literally breaks for her. She has to have like extensive treatment, and hopefully she'll be able to walk again. I don't know the full details. All I know is that she desperately needs help in paying for her medical bills. I will link her GoFundMe campaign down below if you guys are able to contribute. Also, before we get into the questions, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm having a huge sale in my Poshmark closet. It's kind of like a peace out summer sale or a I am sick of you summer ready for fall sale. Basically, all of my summer pieces will be on sale. So we're talking tank tops, dresses, rompers, shorts. All those items will be on sale starting, I think I'm going to start it Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday the 21st. I think we're going to start it Friday the 21st, and we're going to run all the way through the end of August, because I feel like once September hits, summer's gone. Like, maybe not like weather and temperature wise, but in my mind, it's time for not pumpkins quite yet. It's time for apples and fall weather, leaves. So yeah, so I will have my Poshmark closet linked down below, and you guys can go check that out. You can feel free to make bundles. You know, if you make bundles with like summer stuff and not summer stuff, I will give you an amazing deal. So yeah, so just wanted to mention that. I'll have my closet linked down below. On to the questions. We just have a couple of them. Really Fitbit, you're gonna interrupt me. First question is, how do you handle lowballers? I get this question a lot, actually. Lowballers, you know, it's just something, it happens. It's the name of the game. It just happens. And I used to get very frustrated. I used to get offended. I used to get annoyed. I still do get annoyed sometimes, but not so much offended or frustrated. Because, you know, I put myself in those people's shoes. I'm like, they're just trying to get a deal. Like, can you blame them? Really? Nah, you can't. Because you'd probably want to get a deal too when you're shopping for something that you want. So how do I handle them? I counter. I will play the counter game all day long if I have to. Especially if it's on an item where I know that I am not going to budge on the price. I will just keep countering back my lowest offer. I've literally gone back and forth with someone like 20 something times, and they've ended up purchasing the item. So yeah, my advice is just to counter back. If you decline, you're missing out on a sale. You never know what could happen. I've had instances where people counter back, like say I'm selling something for like $30 and they start out like super low at like $12, and then they, you know, just keep going up $1. Once the person sees that I'm like serious, like if I don't want to go lower than like 22 or something like that, and I keep counting back 22, you know, sometimes people will be like, okay, I get the point, you know, I really want this item, 22, I'll accept it. So my advice is just to always counter back. It can get annoying, but don't get frustrated, because it's part of selling. It's part of selling on Poshmark. You will get lowballers. It's inevitable. If you decline an offer, you miss out on a sale. Next question, do you ever offer free shipping? I am thinking that I would get more sales if shipping was free. How can I do that? So sometimes I offer free shipping. It really depends on the item. If it's a higher end item, like a more expensive item, then I will sometimes offer free shipping. Again, it really depends on the item. As far as how you do that, you can do it one of two ways. You can send out offers to likers, so everyone that liked the item will get that offer, or you can create a bundle for the person and give them the discount that way. As far as getting more sales if shipping was free, I don't know. That I honestly do not know. Unfortunately, there's no way to advertise. Well, actually, yeah, I guess you could. I was gonna say there's no way to advertise that you offer free shipping, but I guess you could put it in the listing description. You could say, send me an offer on this and I'll offer free shipping or something like that. So I guess there is a way. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if free shipping I mean, it sounds enticing to me, definitely. Like I get suckered in all the time. I get these emails, it's like free shipping, it's like, and it sucks me in sometimes, but it might not work for everyone. And last question, how long would you wait before canceling an order if it wasn't shipped? My mom's calling me, sorry mom. It's been almost a week and my item hasn't shipped out and there's been no communication from the buyer. So yeah, I give sellers a week before I cancel. This is talking about like if you were to purchase something, like if I was to purchase something from someone on Poshmark, how long would I wait before canceling? Yeah, I give them a week. Poshmark, oh, actually I think they changed it back. During the whole like pandemic when it first started, they upped the shipping time from 7 days to 10 days, but I'm pretty sure they changed it back to 7 days. So after 7 days, you're able to cancel something that you have purchased, especially if there's no communication from the buyer, because I mean, there could be many reasons for that. They could not have an active closet. That's annoying. That's happened to me a few times where I found something amazing and I'm so excited to get it and I buy it. And then I realized the person hasn't been active in a long time and they're not gonna ship me the item. Or, you know, they just could be taking their sweet ass time. I give sellers a week before I cancel, especially with no communication. If they communicate to me, I might, but still, I'm impatient. I'm used to Amazon Prime. I'm used to next day, 2-day shipping. So when I buy something from Poshmark, I want to get it quickly. So yeah, so I would say a week. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.